like this. When the driver tried to swerve, he lost control. And the car is down. This is like a huge loss. I'm sure he couldn't control it after that. Oh, but luckily it went the other side. Hey, Matot, let's send that guy. Hi. Yeah, lingakhweli Matot, hey. Hey, daughter, yes, I saw a truck here. Yes. Yes, I know. Hayi ndoda yehla uzazibuyela udrive. Lingayenzi njalo machini. Lingayenzi njalo. Yehla ndoda. Asirespect yena nje. They say he's there. We want to go and see. Where is the driver? Alright, ukwenzakala nini lo? Izolo ntambama. Hayi, what's happened? Usibukene na truck yakho. Siyathi udrive ungayisuye ke. So this is what happened, guys. Apparently it happened last night. Looks like it's an international one. There it is, guys, as you can see. The truck is down. Yeah. This is what has happened, guys. Potholes. The dangers of potholes, guys. Yeah. Especially if it's a new person. KW913 Northwest. Should be a South African company. Should be a South African company. Luckily the driver looks like the driver is safe, and that's a positive. Baba, where's that? So, is it your first time using?
First time in this road. I wanted to take a load and I come back and restore.
So, Shaili ani hamplia?
Yeah.
Liani deeply ani lapa?
Ubaleke.
Oh.
Only to be away at this place. Kamugila, as Kamugila was in as Napa. It's another hour.
At least you were so I saw Langa, so it's a limaza way. So, when's a galanine? One episode. Hey, siyabonga ukuthi uphephile. Ayimoto abathenga amakhiwo.
Ngifaka usilenda ngifuna ingubo ngifuna onda.
Oh no, hayi siyamsusa lapha sithi ncenga abantu asebengena. No, that's all right. Hayi ngena ndoda.
Lokho nginayo.
Oh. Hayi no thina besithi maybe abantu asebefuna ukulutha.
Okay. Hayi ngisangifaka ibelt. Hayi nami ngibonga.
Manje subathintile amakhiwo.
Amakhiwo akudala kabathinta waba namaphoyisa adlulayo bathi bazobiza lamaphoyisa abathathi
statement
namanje akafiki since from one.
Okay. Hayi amaphotho
njengale vele ngiphumela phandle le trailer yase show ukuthi springs nqamukile Samuel engasibonanga ithe iphuma springs awisala ngapha. Hayi kakhulu. Voilà. Kati Emma ina same kwako. Oh, management. Okay. Hey. So thanks for it. I see abona lathi lapho. Mr. Van, sorry. Ngiyaqhela lo.
Maqhele ekhaya.
Ngiyaqhela from South Africa, Northwest.
Northwest.
Yeah.
Kathi Northwest ke nje yipi?
Northwest it's where Rustenburg is.
Oh, Rustenburg. Yes, mafika. Alright. Hayi siyabonga for it. Siyathaba asifuna ukuthi uzofela lapha kude nekhaya.
Nami ngiyaqola.
Thanks.
Ngibongela nethando lenu.
Alright, hayi siyabonga. Okay guys, this is what we just met here. It just happened here.